destroyed my ears, bro. We're on Marshall's right now buying a shirt. Because this motherfucker is renting a Lamborghini.
Buying?
And he doesn't want to show up in his... He has to be fitted up to say hello to his Lambo. With the Marshall's $20 shirt.
Manifestation.
We made it to the Benzo. And we want to get that Lamborghini Panawagon.
Oh, the color.
Get that POV driving Brickle.
Color's sick. The color's sick.
That Lambo we getting just like this. So basically we just got out of the gym. And since we're making it big on trading right now, we're gonna splash out a little bit on our payout. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna rent a Lambo, get the experience.
We gotta manifest a little bit, like I don't know, 3 or 4 more payouts, and I think we both got 2 SVJs coming, right?
SVJs. I was thinking more like a Centenario.
So we're about to get a quick little Lambo and take it to Brickle. Bro, the way we're about to switch up on all our day ones with this Lamborghini. For the next 24 hours, we're switching up on every single one of our day ones.
Who's my mom? Except
this guy, like, cause we're kind of like, you know. But every single one of our day ones switched up on. They're not gonna hear from us for the next 24 hours. We just made it to the spot. This is the bad boy we got for the day. Well, for today and tomorrow. But it's pretty sick. He has also a 720. Wait, why didn't we rent their 720? Can we gas?
I guess.
Do you prefer the 720 or the...
Honestly, I don't even know. Well, I said
This is nasty. 720 right there. This is gonna be fun. Ciao, we made it! Woo. Dreams come true. What's that say right there? Oh my god, we're about to tear up the streets.
Oh, we're about to do this.
This is bad. Oh, we're about to tear up the streets. Watch out, don't scream.
First time driving a Lamborghini.
Oh yeah. Downshift, go first. Yeah, we're gonna get in trouble. Yeah, we're gonna get in trouble.
Why are we getting in trouble? No, you remember how to put an automatic?
The M mode there, you're not. Oh, that's good. We better hit the Brickle! Locked in. Tail, you can't pass 100.
I'm not. Oh, it's down to turn it off.
Sorry about any wind noise, bro. I'm in a Lamborghini. Tunnel coming. Wait, save that first gear for the tunnel. First. Bro's so locked in right now. Bro's so locked in right now. Show me a hand. Damn!
Bro, I can't stay still!
January!
Can you put the GPS? I don't know how to get to the...
First drive in a Lamborghini.
Bro, I say my first time. It's regular. It's regular traffic.
How does your first drive in a Lamborghini
bro, like,
feel?
it's actually just regular traffic when you think about it. Like, it's nothing special.
This is your first drive in your rented Lamborghini.
Right? What, bro? This is my daily. This is the daily to the daily. This ain't even the daily. It's a backup.
We're hitting Brickle right now. How?
Stop acting like a rented, bro. Come on, you gotta fit in.
Yeah? What?
Right, don't ruin this. Lamborghini Huracan Evo under my name for 24 hours.
Wait, what? I didn't hear that last part.
24 hours.
Rental.
24 hours.
What do we do when the homeless comes up to us? We stab him in the eyes.
Tell him we worse than him. We negative 1.9 right now.
Homeless comes up. Get away from my Lamborghini.
We just fucking rev.
We're not losing that deposit.
Rev on it.
This shit regular, bro. We gotta record on the cover. We gotta record on the cover. Remember what to do when somebody asks you to rev it. Both paddles. Oh, like nah, no revs, this regular. C8 Corvette. Let's go. Yo, you should probably like fix that. It's kind of like some, like the fog. That's some like broke boy. We don't own this shit. Oh, that towards you. Wait, I'm letting him follow that. Rev it. Yeah.
What's the celebration?
Nothing. We want to trade today, bro. We want to trade today, bro. we want to trade today. Bro, we spinning the block type shit. Who? We? Nothing to see here, Ossifer. Ossifer. Look at this beautiful city we live in. Oh yeah, this is the spot. Oh, we got that Urus. We got competition now.
Oh, baby love.
Bro, act like you own the thing, bro. We got lamb on lamb. Which one's tougher, bro?
This one, bro.
The red or the purple? Should we ask these people over? Would you like more, the red or the purple? Oh, that's chill. That's calm. Oh, now we really in Brickell. First drive.
Baby, bro.
This regular.
This is the lady occurred.
This regular. Look at this car.
Oh, it has merch.
A little bit. Some casual for the night. Some light. This car is ridiculously fast. Stand on the hood. Give me your phone. It's called legit. Everything that's ever been said about the Lamborghini Huracan, I say it, I believe it. Just look at that purple, bro. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity experience right here. It's okay, cause one day what's gonna happen one day? It's gonna be owned, bro. It's gonna be owned. Oh yeah, get that TikTok clip. Don't lose your head though. Oh, what a dream. Oh, hell no.
Beep. They plays.
That's thumbnail.
Let's see
The CCBs. Too bad. I can't drive it. Because he rented it, not me.
Insurance purposes.
Certain purposes, I will not be driving. Any clip you see driving this car will be Tyler. Clearly, we already made it to the faster car on the white. I unfortunately couldn't drive it, but passenger. That's the greatest experience I ever experienced in my life. Until I own my own. Start up your land, bro. Oh, loss of aura. Well, there's no remote entry on a Lamborghini Huracan, bro. Where's who?
Yep, called it.
Why would Tyler be in a Huracan?
That's her. That's Tyler. I know it's Tyler. We bought a Huracan.
Why would Tyler buy a Huracan?
What'd I say though? You bought it? Guys, he bought the Huracan. He's in severe debt. First thing I said, this guy bought something special. First thing I told him.
It's rented, bro.
It's all rented. Owned it. How much? How much?
$250.
$250? Oh, you're close. How much you paying a month?
$5K.
Congratulations.
How many times are you gonna sit in the side of him?
It's rented, nigga.
I want to pick this up.
This is How was your first ride?
My legs were shaking.
How loud is that car?
Really loud. And it's stock.
That's my stall. It's straight pipe and a tune.
Oh, really? Oh. It was in Strata.
How was your first Lambo experience?
Really good. Bro, I felt like I was in a roller coaster, bro. Bro, I had chills. My legs were shaking. And that's all I gotta say.
Oh, it's a V10. Oh, it's so cool.
That's crazy, bro. That's crazy.
I
bro.
would not do it.
Would you buy one?
I can't rent that.
Are we selling the Honda Civic to get the down payment?
Bro,
And just the down payment?
that's it, bro. I'll have it for at least 30 days. I'll return it. Just give me one pull.
Sure, give it back.
One pull is all I need.
And then you're good?
That's it. I didn't gotta even put gas in it.
Yo, Poe, you're gonna have to put gas on it first day. You're gonna have that car, you're not gonna drive it?
I'll drive it and I'll drive it back to dealership.
Until next time, my friend.